Alright.
Yeah.
So we try to do slow-mo robots. That one's like a really patient practice. And at the same time you clean up your ears. You hear the music better. So the first step was pretty much like hands like this. And you just listen to the music. And then you count really slowly, pick it up. Yeah. Is to keep listening to music. And then finish, then you come back. Yeah. The key was you make sure your same speed is going. So you're still breathing like normal, but like when you're breathing, breathe out, the arm gonna freeze or stop or slow down something. You gotta make sure like the same speed to come back up. Even you're breathing, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. But you keep it. Yeah. And when that I know it's in the videos, looks stupid, but it's very, very, very important practice. Right?
Very, very important.
Yeah. Yeah, you're pretty good. Nice. Nice. It's hard. Yeah, yeah. So this is like a first step where they're going one arm and then going two arms, of course. Well, you can do like this. Yeah, drop in little by little. But have a limit to the size. That one's going all the way up, so you can do more longer. But that one's like only like halfway. So like pretty much like this, and done, and it should be done. So boom. So you as much as you can, and take your time, and drop. And so the hands go straight, finish, and change the directions. Yeah, hold it. Then pick it up. Yeah, it's feel different, yeah?
You don't have to do my leg.
No, you can just slowly, 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 sneaky, whatever they call. It's a really good breathing practice, listen to music practice, and patient practice. It's very, very important.
Very, very important.
But just shooting the videos looks so stupid, I know. But it's important, so I'm gonna put them in the videos, and hopefully you guys practice and then feel something. All right, cool.
Thank you.